everyone. In this presentation, we will talk about features and functions of the EazyML machine learning platform. EazyML is a platform, a machine learning platform, on which you construct statistical models. The model learns from your training data to become smart about your environment, and then it predicts your world. This presentation will walk you through EazyML's features that make it so easy to use and unique. So this is the start page. As you see here, there are choices like detailed mode, accelerated mode with a default recommendation of accelerated mode here. Typically, you can proceed with the default recommendation. The machine's assessed carefully when it makes that recommendation. What if you don't understand what it means and are curious before you abide by what the machine is recommending? For instance, what does detailed mode mean? What's accelerated mode? Well, just press the help button and it's going to tell you that the accelerated mode just runs through the various steps without stopping for your input, just assuming you like the default options that the machine recommends. Whereas the detailed mode stops at various steps, updates you what it's doing, looks for your input if you want to override its default. It's basically for those who want to understand how the platform is processing their data. Okay. So you can see this feature of the platform where it explains what it's doing to your data is key. You understand what the platform is doing, appreciate it, and this builds trust. So after you select, the next step is very easy. In this case, we'll go with the default. You just hit the next button, as simple as that. It says upload your training data. Again, hit the next button. Just keep hitting next. It says upload a file. This is your training data. Okay, well, we'll upload a file. And let's say we will upload this file here. It's an Excel spreadsheet, a simple file. Again, it very conveniently walks you through the steps, as you can see. Now, at this point, it's zooming through till it stops when it requires your input. Here, it's asking you for what is the outcome your statistical model is trying to predict. Notice, next is disabled here. That means you have to mandatorily supply the select an option at this step. So let's say we are trying to predict employee evaluation here. Now the next is enabled. And so you hit next, and it tells you, oh, this is the outcome variable. And you think and say, oh my goodness, I think I hit the wrong one. I don't think it was employee evaluation. I think I wanted some other. Oh, what should I do? Don't worry, that's why the previous button is here. Hit that, you're back to this step. And now let's say you want to say, oh, it was years in service that I really wanted to predict, the statistical model to predict. Okay, no problems. Now see, it said years in service. At any point, you can hit this trace button to see your entire activity of what you've been doing. See, look, you uploaded your data, then you identified your outcome, first time as employee evaluation, then you went back again to identifying the outcome variable. This time you selected years in service, and now you selected years in service as the outcome variable. So it is a very transparent machine. It shows you every step of what you've been doing. Let's say at the end of this, you're kind of confused and say, I don't know what I've done here. Don't worry again, hit home, and you can restart the machine afresh from the very beginning. Yep. And there you go, you're back on the first screen. By the way, Its admin functions are here as well. You can scroll around, play with it. Gives you my account, directory usage, how many data sets do you have, activity. Feel free to browse through this. So go play with it. It's an easy platform, self-explanatory actually. I'm sure you will have fun as you learn machine learning by doing it. Thank you.